Let's go to page 217, and this is section 18.4. This deals with prism and cylinders. Okay, so basically what you have is that the prism and cylinders, you have the top and the bottom have the identical shape, okay? And so the prism is the base would be the polygon, and cylinder, the base would be circle. Okay, so for example, a cylinder is like this. So this is the right cylinder. Okay, right means these things are it goes up and down. Okay, then you can have this kind of situation. Okay, so this is the right cylinder. This is the oblique, means a slanted. Same thing. You can have the prism. Okay, so you can have let's see. Okay, so this would be, again, this would be right, okay, whereas sometimes you can have a slanted situation, like, okay, so again, when it goes up, means it's right. The prism means the base is a polygon, whereas the cylinder, the base is a circle, okay, so that is that, and this is that. Okay, again, this is right, and okay. Now, when you're looking for the area of the lateral area, okay, what you do, you cut and you open it up, so it becomes like this. So here's your height. Okay, so you cut. Imagine you have a can of beans or corn or whatever, and you have labels, right? So you peel off the label, and that's what you see. Okay, and this would be 2 pi r, because this is your 2 pi r. Okay, so you open up your label. So this is your lateral area. So your LA for the center would be 2 pi r times h. Okay. Whereas over here, again, if you open it up, okay, you're gonna have so you're gonna have the front, the rear, front and the right side. So front, you're going to have the right side, and you're going to have the rear. Okay, and you're going to have the left side. Okay, you open up. So basically what you have is a perimeter. So your LA would be equal to the perimeter times h. Okay. And same thing, this is actually its perimeter, the circumference, right? So basically you just have the circumference or the perimeter times h. It will give you the lateral area. Then the total area would be just the LA plus the 2 base. Now capital B means the area of the base area. Okay, and again, total area equal to the LA plus the 2 base. Okay. So let's go to example 18-8. You know what, let's not do that. Let's approve. We're not going to do that. Let's go and do the example 18-9. Okay, example 18-9. Okay, it says an ant is on the edge of the top of a cylinder. Let's do it. Let's imagine it's right over here. And the ant, which is crawled to a point diagonally across to his current position, right over here. Okay, if the center is 8 inches high and with a diameter of 4 inches, okay, what is the shortest distance? Okay, so what you want to do is you want to cut open. So imagine you cut right over here. Okay, and you cut open. So this is point A and this is point B. So here's your point A. Now B, notice B is halfway around the circle and go straight down. So you go halfway around the circle and you go straight down. That's where the B is, right? Okay, so again, B is diagonally, right? So halfway around the circle, go straight down. So go halfway around the circle, go straight down. Okay, and so diameter is 4, so the circumference would be 2 pi r. So diameter is equal to 4, so radius equal to 2. Okay, and so the circumference is pi d or 2 pi r, so it would be 4 pi. So that means this is 2 pi and this is 2 pi. So to find the shortest distance would be over here. Okay, so this is your 2 pi. Okay, so use your Pythagorean theorem. Okay, so I'm going to call this x. So a squared plus 2 pi squared equal to x squared. So 64 plus 4 pi squared equal to x squared. And then you take the square root. So x equal to square root of 64 plus 4 pi squared. So factor out the 4. And the 4 can come out. So x will equal to 2 square root of 16 plus pi squared.